mean, let's just be very candid for the record for the Court of Appeals. We're in a situation here, and I want to make sure I make my record, where I would have to try this case within 10 days, which means I would have to try it next week. We are in the middle, probably been one of the most epic pandemics here in Ohio. Right now, the state has been shut down. Governor Mike DeWine is only allowing any type of business to go on, whether it is a declared state of an emergency. Dr. Amy Acton, the director of the Ohio Department of Health, has recommended that everybody stay home. I'm in a position where jurors have called and indicated that the next 2 weeks are not going to come in. So this court is placed in a position that it has never been placed in before. And I'm not sure any court in the state of Ohio has been placed in this before. The court can continue it on what's called the interest of justice in that type of issue. All I can tell you is at this time, this is probably the biggest problem that I've seen scheduling right now, because of the court trying to balance the health of everybody, especially the jurors and everybody involved in this case, but also wanting to get your case done within the time parameters.
I'm saying that my client does not agree with the continuance, and as I am his representative, I would not agree. However, we do understand.
So again, I guess I'm trying to understand, what is your position in the end?
Are you asking me my position or my client's?
Well, I guess, what is your client?
My client's position is that he wishes the case to be tried within 10 days.
Okay, well, I'm reading 2945, as I said before, and it talks about the different limitations, as I've talked about. And it does give that right to the court to make that type of continuance in the case. And I imagine these are going to be type of things are going to be done throughout the state of Ohio during this time period. The court has reread the statute and also wants to point out other thing, that the extension of time under 2945-72 can be due to the neglect or improper act of the accused. And since the accused in this particular case did not comply with the test that was supposed to be Dr. Woods for sanity, that delayed this process even more. So the court's going to take that into consideration, take into consideration this coronavirus, and as a result of that, it looks like we'll be going forward on May 12th. Mr. Foster, do you have any questions about that?
Do what you're going to do anyway, so it doesn't matter.